I am HVAC repair guy, and I have spent over 17 years in this trade as a technician, installer, and contractor after serving as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we are looking at two top-tier central air conditioners, the Goodman GXV9S and the Della ducted Central AC 19 SEER2. My goal is to walk you through how these units stack up side by side so you can make an informed choice for your home. The Goodman GXV9S features a louvered coil guard to protect the aluminum fins from physical damage like lawn debris and hail. The GXV9S also includes an insulated compressor blanket to dampen operating sound. The Della unit includes a compressor blanket but lacks a louvered coil enclosure, leaving the coil fins exposed to potential impacts. Both systems achieve an energy efficiency rating of 19 SEER2. Sound level is a key difference. The Goodman runs at an exceptionally quiet 45 decibels. The Della unit operates at 54 decibels, which is reasonable but noticeably louder when standing nearby outdoors. Both units feature variable speed compressors paired with variable speed condenser fan motors for precise cooling output. Both continuously adjust motor speeds to match indoor thermal load. The Goodman GXV9S is manufactured in the United States. The Della ducted Central AC 19 SEER2 is manufactured in China. A complete professional installation for the Goodman GXV9S typically ranges between $7,000 and $10,000 depending on tonnage and local labor. Della equipment retails online for roughly $3,500 to $4,500 and installed costs usually land between $5,500 and $8,000. Goodman backs the GXV9S with a 10-year parts warranty, a lifetime compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. Della provides a 1-year parts warranty, a 1-year compressor warranty, and no unit replacement warranty coverage. If I am recommending one unit for your home, I picked the Goodman GXV9S for superior coil protection, quieter operation, domestic manufacturing, and stronger warranty support.